Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about time complexity calculation using frequency count or step count mechanism for this algorithm. This is an algorithm for calculating addition of two matrices. Here, observe this algorithm carefully. Two for loops. The first for loop is executed from I is equal to 1 to n. The second for loop is executed from j is equal to 1 to n. Anyway, you know the time complexity for calculating how many number of times a loop is executed. Observe, here this loop is executed n number of times. Remember, for all n number of times the condition is true. And one more case is there, it does not enter into the loop, that is n plus 1. You got the point? So finally this statement is executed n plus 1 number of times. N times for true condition, 1 time for false condition. Suppose I is equal to 1. Assume the condition is true, it enter inside the loop. Inside the loop, how many number of times this is executed? J is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. Next iteration, here I is equal to 2. Again j is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. That means this loop is executed for all n number of times. In this it is executed n plus 1. You got it? This n represents outer for loop. Here in this n plus 1, n represents the true condition from j is equal to 1 to n, and this one represents false condition. Now here how many times this is executed? This is executed for all the true cases, means n into n. This first n, this for loop, the second n, this for loop. Now what is the total complexity? Here this is n square plus n. Now calculate n square. This is also becomes n square. So 2n square plus n plus n, 2n plus 1. This is the time complexity for matrix addition. If you want to represent in big O notation, which one you consider? Big O specifies the maximum time taken. Among this, the maximum time is n square. So the time complexity is big O of n square. Similarly, along with the time complexity, now we will calculate space complexity also. You know the meaning. What's the meaning of space complexity? The maximum amount of space taken by this algorithm for execution. Here, first I have two matrices A and B. What is the size of A? A is an n by n matrix. B is an n by n matrix. So here A requires a size of n by n. That is, the size is n square. Matrix B required, the size is n square. Now what are the other things? I is equal to variable I required one constant space. Variable j required one constant space. Along with n is there. Whether it is n square, okay, what is the n? 3 by 3, 4 by 4. N requires 1. Now again, what is the complexity? 2n square plus 3. This is the space complexity. Again, if you represent in upper bound notation, big O of n square. This is the space complexity. For this example, the time complexity and space complexity both are big O of n square. That is calculation of time complexity. Thank you.